All right, welcome back. We are back with two new prepositions, that is nach und bei. Nach is like interpreted as after in terms of time. Wir haben schon gelernt. We have already learned, als wir die Uhrzeiten gelernt haben, as we had learned the time, to see the time. Zum Beispiel, for example, if you want to say it's 10 past 5, you'll say es ist 10 nach 5, 10 minutes after 5. Yes, so after is nach. That's the interpretation. Let's have a look. Nach dash Unterricht spiele ich Video games. So nach is dative, Unterricht is masculine. So we'll write nach dem Unterricht spiele ich Video games. After the class, play video games. After the vacations, yes, after the vacations. Okay, let's write the correct question here. Nach dash Ferien arbeite ich Vollzeit. After the vacations, I work full time. Vacations are plural, die Ferien. So we'll make it in dative, dem, der, dem, den. We'll write nach den Ferien arbeite ich Vollzeit. Now, after the game, we eat pizza. So game is Neutrum, das Spiel. Now it will become dative, dem, der, dem. So we'll write here dem. Nach dem Spiel essen wir eine Pizza. So this is all to do with time. After. Now coming after the time to space, that's position and direction here, we'll basically be looking at another explanation like towards. When you're going towards the name of a place outside your local area. Yes. So basically when you're going to a city or a country, yes, that's when you say ich gehe nach. Yes. So it'll be like ich fahre nach Berlin, ich fahre nach Österreich, ich fliege nach Spanien, ich fahre mit dem Zug nach Italien oder Milan, yeah, etc. Whatever it is. As long as the place that you're going does not have an article. Certain places, when we speak in German language, have got articles like the Türkei, the USA, plural, the Niederlanden, yes. So there are many examples of places with articles. There we will not use nach, as we had learned earlier. In accusative we will use in. Ja, ich gehe in die Schweiz, ich fliege in die Türkei, ja, or ich fliege in die USA. Yeah, so we'll always be saying in when it comes to places with articles, but otherwise we'll stick to nach. Perfect. So let's have a look. Ich fahre nach Spanien, Italien, Ungarn, Milan, whatever. Ich fahre nach. Now it could even be Himmelrichtungen. I'm traveling in a direction, cardinal direction. So ich fahre nach Osten, Westen, Norden, Süden, etc. Or also we'll be learning ich fahre nach Hause. When it comes to house, when it comes to home, it's an adverb, a place where you live. Hause, home. We use nach with it. We'll talk about it when we talk about how to use the adverb Hause. Until then, you could just try and remember, when you say I go home, you say ich gehe nach Hause, ich fahre nach Hause. Fantastic. So that's the meaning of nach. In terms of time, after. In terms of place, you're going outside your local city to another city or country, you say nach. As long as it doesn't have an article. Fantastic. Now let's go to the next one, that is bei. Now bei in terms of time means span of time, or in terms of activity or event. For example, bei dash Unterricht darf man kein Handy benutzen. What is the meaning? Bei dem Unterricht, bei dash Unterricht darf man kein Handy benutzen. In the span of the class, no one is allowed to use the mobile. So Unterricht is masculine, so we'll say bei dem Unterricht. We could put it together also. Bei dem will become beim. Beim Unterricht darf man kein Handy benutzen. Bei das Essen soll man nicht sprechen. Now it's an event. This is an activity. So you're at this during the duration of the activity. Bei dem Essen. Yes, Essen is like a verb which has been converted into a noun simply by capitalizing the first letter. So at the time of eating, one should not speak. Bei der Sport soll man keine Jeans tragen. So at the time of playing sports, bei dem Sport, Sport is masculine, soll man keine Jeans tragen. One should not wear jeans. Okay, so this was the talk about time, and we could also interpret this in terms of space, that when you say by, it's like you are at the place of. Yes, like I live by my parents, I live at the place of my parents. It could also be activity. I'm at the gym, I'm at Basketball spielen, playing basketball, any activity. I'm at eating, ich bin beim Essen. Yes, or it could be at a person's, it could be an activity, an event, or a person. Yes, perfect. So let's have a look. As an activity, let's find out, or as an event, let's find out. Ich bin bei dash Unterricht. So Unterricht is like, you could count it as an activity as well. Bei Unterricht is masculine, bei dem Unterricht. I am at the place of the class. Yeah. Now it could be interpreted differently. Here it's like during the duration of the class. It's like here I am at the place of the class. Ich bin beim. Yeah. Now ich bin bei dash Essen. I'm at the place of, I am basically eating. Yes. So ich bin bei dem Essen or beim Essen. Very good. It's an activity. Ich bin bei dash Sport. Again, ich bin bei dem Sport. Again, an activity. I am basically doing a sport at the place of where the sport is being played. Ich bin bei dash Freunden. What is the meaning of this? Freund, Entschuldigung. I'm at the place of the friend. Ich bin bei dem Freund. Or ich bin bei Samantha. Simply, I'm at Samantha's place. Ich lebe bei dash Eltern. Ich lebe bei dash Eltern. It'll be ich lebe bei. Eltern is plural. Dem, der, dem, den. Ich lebe bei den Eltern. I live at my parents' place. Ich arbeite dash Firma Google. I work at the place of Google. I work at the company Google. So it'll be bei der Firma. Firma is feminine. Yes. Fantastic. And lastly, bei is also used like among. Bei Leuten gibt es kein Essen. Okay. Okay, so it's basically there's no food amongst the people. So bei den Leuten, Leuten is plural, so bei den Leuten gibt es kein Essen. Perfect. So that's like your example of among. So this was the preposition by. It basically means the span of. Yes, or at the place of. When you're saying the span of, it could be a activity or an event. Yes, when you're saying at the place of, it could be an activity, event, or a person. Yes, genau, that's the idea. You could be doing an activity, yes, like Essen. It could be an event like class. It could be a person like Freund or Samantha. You're at the place of these event, person, or activity. Fantastic. So with that done, these are the two prepositions we did right now. We'll do a couple of more in the next lesson, so catch me to complete the dative list. Till then, this is John Berlin signing off. Cheers.